All right, so we're going to get you started on problem number 7, which is slide number 10 for multi-step inequalities. You can see that we're going to be distributing the 4 into these parentheses. So 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times negative 8x equals negative 32x, because 4 times 8 is 32, and we had a negative 8 right here. That makes it negative 32x. Then we write our inequality sign, which is greater than 100. At this point, you should know what to do. You are going to, when there's not a sign in front of a number, it's automatically a positive number. We can assume that it's positive. So with our Shrek, the onions got layers, or ogres are like onions, they have layers. You're going to start at this outer layer and move your way into this, I lost my train of thought. Sorry. You're going to move into the variable this way. So you're going to start by doing the inverse operation of positive 4. And then you're going to do the inverse operation of multiplying by 32, negative 32x, negative 32 multiplied by x, sorry, which would be then division. You need to remember, what do you need to do if your variable is being multiplied by a negative number? Do not forget what you need to do. If you have forgotten, please revert back to the other problems on what you need to do to your inequality sign if in the beginning your variable is being multiplied or divided by a negative coefficient or a negative number. You need to do something to this inequality here, this sign. So those are some helpful hints on how to do problem 7.